sheep have all been vaccinated. We all took a break in the house to recoup and get toasty warm, and my husband came out an hour or so ago, has been working on cleaning out the bedded pack. We do have a set of manure forks that help a lot with cleaning this out, so you don't need quite as much physical labor. But now we're to the point where I'm going to help shovel out some of these sides to clean this out a little bit better. I'm guessing this is going to have to be cleaned out once more before lambing starts, and lambing is 2 weeks from tomorrow. More lake effects though, and my cows have been kicked out of the cow barn because the sheep are currently occupying the cow barn. I think my husband said that we took 3 or 4 loads out of this barn, so there's still more to clean with the sheep due in 2 weeks. We're gonna clean this completely before they start hitting the ground, so hopefully we will be able to find time to do that. So yes, it is, I feel like it's in single digits right now with an even colder wind chill, but I have been busting my rear end in this barn. And I just cleaned out the hay feeder of whatever they wouldn't eat and scattered it all over. So now we're going to put the bale in the barn that they're going to eat next. And we're going to do that before we actually move the sheep in, because typically they complicate things a whole lot more. One of our goats actually tried to get his head stuck in between the cattle panel and the hay bale. I can't remember if it was the last time my husband fed out a bale or if it was 2 times ago, but we were lucky the goat didn't die. Lucky, unlucky, I mean, at this point, I don't really want the goats anymore, but I also don't want them to be unalived tragically. My cows have good insulation. They've got snow piling on their backs. They're big and chunky. My poor husband is frozen solid. He had a little celebratory hands in the air. Ellie, stop eating that. You're gonna end up puking in the house again. This was the puppy we got in July. I don't show her very much, but this is my purebred Australian cattle dog that I will be breeding at some point in the future. Ella! She's so sweet. Ellie, stop eating the turds, my goodness. You should be more refined than that and sophisticated. Not be a normal cattle dog, because you got those fancy papers. Not like your red backyard bred counterpart. They definitely roughhouse. Stop eating the turds. Stop eating it. You're a turd. Guess I better start removing some of this snow and ice from this tract so we can close the door when we get the bale in here.